There is comparison information for hospices in Florida available on Florida Health Finder. At the top of the screen, if we click Compare and scroll down to Hospice, we can see a list of all Florida hospices. These are listed alphabetically by the name of the provider in the first column. In the second column, we can see the city, then the license status, the number of licensed beds, and we can see their CAHPS survey responses and HIS, which is Hospice Item Set Quality Measures. If you'd like to see these broken out, we can here at the top of the screen click the CAHPS button, and we can see the CAHPS measures broken out now in the columns across the top of the page, and the rankings by facility. You can scroll down the screen to see each of these hospices and how they performed on these measures. And then the HIS results as well if we click that button. And now we can see the hospices measured in the columns at the top of the screen and scroll down to see how each facility performed on each specific measure. If you have questions about the information provided for hospices, there is a Hospice Consumer Guide additional resource and a data disclaimer at the bottom of the page.